guess, like a dream. That's it, a dream.
Tell us in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on the road to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, someone feed me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong, for the said sit down, you rock the boat. Yes, the people said sit down, you rock the boat. And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your checkered coat. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you rock the boat. I sailed the waves on that boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist, for the said beware, you're on a mission. Yes, the people said beware, beware, it's a mission. And the devil will drag you under by the fancy tower, no wicked throw. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat. As I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard, and as I sank and I hollered, someone save me, that's the moment I woke up. Thank the